A fascinating part of a solar installation are the technical plans that are required by the building department and utility company. To do a safe and legal installation, these plans are guided by the National Electric Code. Our system designers work closely with our CAD engineer to hand off an installation. There's no substitute for doing these as a team and together as one company. Elements the system designer needs to get: roof measurements, identify obstructions, shade analysis, rafter details, breaker panel space availability, and photographs. The CAD engineer will produce PV 1.0.
So PV1, or page 1 of our drawing sets, has most of the general outline of the building and what the product's going to be. Major components, number of modules, location of modules, the property, where it is in the jurisdiction that we're trying to get permitted from, and mostly all the utility meter and equipment and the places that we need to work.
PV 2.0.
Page 2, or PV 2.0 of our drawing set, is a detail of the roof that's going to have the array installed on. Has the quantity of modules, location of L feet or the mechanism of attaching it to the roof substrate, all of its necessary setbacks, and all its code requirements to get the installers to get it on the roof properly.
PV 3.0.
Page 3, or PV 3.0 of our drawing sets, has most of the details of our equipment and of the mechanisms and means to attach the PV system to the roof. It also has a panel schedule if there's battery backup loads going into the project. Our next drawing set, or PV 3.1, is the one-line diagram. This is kind of the major brains of the installation, showing how all of the major components interconnect to the existing electrical system, sizing of wires, distances of wires, and everything that the electrician on site needs to know.
PV 4.0.
PV 4.0, or fifth page in our drawing set, has many photos and details for the installers to clarify exactly where the system's going to go, where major components are going to sit in or outside of the house, where components are going to interconnect, and the information on the existing electrical panel for the house, so we show up with everything we need the right time the first time.
And PV 5.0.
Our electrical specifications page is a list of crucial calculations and existing conditions used to make sure the system provided is going to work properly and comply to local and national codes.
After all, when you're planning for a solar system, plans are critically important.